shoe augmented reality app for my industry partner, Litter Boutique, a startup specializing in comfortable and elegant women's shoes. Potential customers often struggle to visualize how these shoes would look on their feet, especially when paired with specific clothing. The app bridges this gap. The tools utilized include Qt for image labeling, Google Colab for model training, and a pre-trained model based on the Elofate object detection algorithm. Exported as ONGs. The 3D shoe model is created using a scanner from Creality, processed in Blender. Brought together using Unity. Let's examine how the model performs. The model makes very precise predictions regarding the positioning of key points like the big toe, little toe, inside ankle, outside ankle, heel, and ankle kink. Let's take a closer look at the scanner in action, followed by the processing of the scanned foot in Blender and its integration into Unity. Now, let's see the app in action. The app is now available on the Google Play Store.